As you can see, I've drawn a diya or a mud lamp on one card and sparkler on the other. I've applied masking fluid to some of the area where I wanted the light to be the brightest. I'm starting off with a wash, wet into wet, with cobalt blue, red. I'm going to make it very colorful. And I'm tilting the paper here to spread the colors in the direction that I want. I want it to blue a bit away from the flame of the lamp. I'm giving yellow near the flame. I have covered the flame with masking fluid and let it dry naturally. You can use all sorts of colors that you like. Give it a festive look. Now I'm giving raw umber at the bottom to create a few darker areas. And I'm using my size 10 brush. You can't really go wrong with coloring wet on wet. I have wet the entire surface including the diya. Till the paint on this card dries fully, I'm going to start working on the other side. Here also I'm using wet on wet technique. I'm just giving spots of red, blue and yellow. After drying this naturally, the colors look way lighter. But this is how watercolors work. I've started painting the lamp with a smaller round brush. I think I missed taking some footage for a minute there. I'm carefully now painting the mud lamp. I'm giving some grey and burnt umber to the lamp. And I want it to look like it's on a surface. I'm creating a darker base under the lamp. Here also I'm going to add a few colors to keep the festive look. Now let this dry naturally. The good part about painting two cards is you can jump from one to the other. Now I'm painting the sparkler. I've used the same colors that were in my palette. The blues and the burnt sienna and a bit of a red. My line here is gone a little crooked, but that's alright. I'm just going to give some details to the lamp. I want the lamp to stand out a bit. So I'm using this fun bokeh technique with the help of a stencil and an old plastic brush. Gently place the stencil on your paper. Use clean water in your brush and lift off the color with a paper towel. You can also vary the size of the circles and that could create an interesting look. One can actually use a Q-tip or a sponge or a stencil brush to give this technique. I'm going to give some details with a white jelly pen to the sparkler. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you have any questions or doubts, please put them in the comment section below. And if you like the card ideas, do remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Happy creating, and I will see you soon.